Hello! This is my bare face. I apply this Omnia moisturizer on my face before putting on this liquid foundation from L'Oreal. Usually, I apply my liquid foundation with a beauty blender, lalo na kapag papunta ko ng work and medyo nagmamadali ako. Pero since nandito lang naman tayo sa bahay, I went for a brush. I've never been a fan of concealers, pero I suggest to use it, lalo na kapag magagawa tayo ng full coverage makeup, kasi it really helps in hiding our imperfections. So yan, just make sure na you spread evenly yung liquid foundation natin sa ating kamukhaan. So yan, at this point, unti-unti nang naitatago ang ating mga sumpa sa mukha. This is a trick I've always used para mas madaling mag-apply ng lipstick later. After applying a lip balm, punasan yung labi to make sure na mas smoother na yung texture ng lips mo. Then reapply the lip balm and later pwede na tayong mag-apply ng lipstick. I usually do my eyes first before applying the lipstick para mas may time yung lip balm na ma-absorb ng lips mo. Sobrang simple lang for this eye makeup. I chose an orangey color, then in-apply sa outer corner of your eyelid, and then palight ng palight hanggang sa makarating tayo sa inner corner of our eyes. Then we go to the eyebrows. So first, suklayin ang ating mga eyebrows. So I use this Benefits eyebrow pencil to draw my kilais. Sa totoo lang, I don't really draw my brows. I just fill in yung mga parts na wala masyadong hair. Hindi naman kailangang identical yung dalawang mong kilay. Just make sure na hindi sila mukhang magkagalit. Okay? Para mas magmukhang mas mahaba yung mga pilik mata natin, try natin siyang i-curl simula sa pinaka-closest dun sa mata natin and then sa middle ng ating mga eyelashes and then sa pinaka-dulo. I don't know if I made sense, so itry nyo na. So here you can see I'm applying mascara. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ako masyadong nagmamaskara kasi mabilis siyang kumatat sa aking mga mata. Hindi ko alam kung anong problema nila. Habang naghihintay, aura girl. So gamitin natin itong Superstay Matte Ink ng Maybelline na galing sa aking kapatid. Shout out to my sister! So for my lips, I chose Seductress. We all know na mahirap burahin ang matte lipstick, lalo na kung dry na to. So make sure na before it dries out, burahin na natin yung mga excess at yung mga lumalampas. Tada! Hindi halatang nahirapan sa pag-apply ng lipstick. Then, I apply this Studio Fix MAC Pressed Powder for oil control. If you have an oily skin just like me, make sure na mag-apply tayo ng pressed powder lalo na sa ating T-zone. Kapag natuyo ng ating mascara, go back to it and curl it again. Then I apply this blush from Kiko, pero hindi ko na mabasa yung pangalan. But it is a peach color. Now we're done with the makeup. Everyone knows this trick. Nag-braid lang ako ng ating buhok the night before. After nating matanggal lahat ng braids, we can style it the way we want. These are just some of the ways I style my hair. And we're done. I'll wait for your subscriptions.